Hello all, in this video I will talk about totally different topic, that is, before going to our lecture video I will give a short information about the many industry or many businessmen or many people are going after towards the renewable energy sources, and they the most the uh, in from the sun the infinite infinite large amount of energy is releasing in daily basis. So if you if we people can get harvest the solar energy efficiently, then it is the very best way and very cheap. Although the initial cost is very high, may be high, but in near future, the scientists will also get some new idea how to reduce the cost. So in this video I am talking about what is solar truth collector. Solar truth collector means, by using solar truth collector, and solar truth collector means we have to use the solar power, solar rays, in very most effective way. How can I use a more effective way? When I came to know that in this way I'm came to know one thing that I will tell you later, but I have to tell you in more in a bit more interesting way. So when I came to know that, so this is also the new things, the update or modification are in front of us, but we are not familiar with them. Just for example, in solar truth collector, the new technology use parabolic solar truth collector. So in parabolic, what you have a focus and you have a coordinates. So so what I am telling you, first of all listen to me. And the focus, if the sunlight from the sun rays are reflected to the your parabolic curve, parabolic things that you made, and it is effectively reflecting the sun rays, then it will obviously focus on the focus. It has a focus, has a focus, we already know that. So now the focusing is two types. One is line focusing and another one is point focusing. Point focusing is done to the volume in a within a volume, and it is concentrated, the light is concentrated to the point only. So if your parabolic truth collector, the material, the parabolic, what is the shape of the parabolic, I will show you later. So just pay attention on it. So if your parabolic material truth collector is of size large, then what will happen? Then it takes the more amount of the its surface is large, then obviously it reflect the high number of sun rays will sun rays collide on it, and by using reflection we can concentrate this light in a line. So these are called line collector collector. So by using, in this video I am talking about how to make the parabolic truth collector. In this video I am using the excel file. There are the coordinates in this. Okay, these are my coordinates. So these are my coordinates, and I am going to import these coordinates into Catia file. So I already opened the my Catia file also. So I already made it here. So I will just unclick it. Okay, save. I will save it. Okay, now it is gone. So now go to the, I will select this one shape, and I will go to the shape design, because by this point I am going to generate this shape also. Sketch, imagine, shapes, digital. generative set design. Okay, part 1, no problem guys. Now I am going to this the my coordinate in my coordinate system. So now this is my coordinate system. Before doing this, you have to enable your macro system. You can do you can go to the YouTube and search about how to enable your macro system. So now I'm going to macro, and my file's name is, okay, I'll check generative x. I'm going to main and run and give 3. Okay, it will importing to the Catia file. So there are 400 points in my parabolic trough collector. You can here you can see it reaches to 232 now. Okay, object does not support this property or method. This is showing if there is any mistake on your symbol or any this how to you write, it doesn't matter, it will show this type of error. So you have to familiar with this type of error also. So now I am going to select this all and I am copying it, and I will just copy this in here. Before copying, I have to just copy this here. Now I have to go here and Control C. Okay, this is my another file with same, so it gives some errors. So I'm select I'm Control B, I'm copying here. So now I will just click it, Control X, and I will go to the here. Now I'm going to give this Control V. So this is an compatibility mode, and this is gst.point spline loft from Excel. So now you have to go now macros and view macros, go to new and select this point file. Okay, and gives 3 input. Okay, it will show this. Again go to here and go here. Okay, before we have to go here and I have to remove this one. Okay, I'm not going to save it because it is wrong. So now you have to open this also. So go to mechanical design. You can open part design any other, but finally I have to go to the where shape and generator shape. So I choosing this generative shape design and pressing OK. Now I'm going to the my file main. It is already selected here, run, gives 3. So now it is processed here. Now it is importing to the my Catia B5 version. So there are 400 points, so obviously it will take some time. This is now you can see in your screen that it is importing the value, importing the coordinate, not value. It is more proper way. Go. Okay, it is completed here now. Now I'm going to here. Now it is generated, and these are the 400 points. 400 points of parabola are generated. So now it is a focus length of 0.59. This is 590 millimeter. So now I'm going to here I'm in the generative shape design, in generative design shape design. So now to generate the shape you have to go. So before I have to click it shape. Okay, parabolic trough collector by Excel by using Excel coordinate. Okay, I'm going to save it. Now you have to, if you want to draw any surface from here, then you can go to the in the spline. Because why I am going to spline? So to design to extrude, you have to give the profile in which line you want to draw. This is an spline 1. I am selecting this, and direction I am selecting this direction. In this lateral direction I want, so I am giving the dia of 500 and both mirror extent. Now okay, this is my solar trough corrector. By using this one you can generate the thick surface, so it is not difficult, so you can do it. If you have any problem, so please let me know. Thank you all. Now I'm going to save as in 3D design. Okay, thank you all. If you like my videos, please do subscribe. Thank you all.